guys! Welcome to my channel, Jonas Vlog. Ayan, ngayon mag-prepare tayo ng ating dinner ngayon guys. So, tara, let's go! And of course, this is my friend guys. So, she always help me to do things. So, we drink coffee first before we prepare dinner. But anyway, mag-prepare muna ako kasi guys, nandyan na si Kumat. So, ayan, nagpakulo ako ng itlog para sa ating adobo mamaya. Nahiwa ko na ito. At syempre, nalinisan ko na itong isda. Yung pinadrain ko lang para hindi magkatalsik ng mantika mamaya sa ating fish. At ito yung liver. Ihihiwain ko mamaya. At syempre, ito yung mga gulay. So, ayan, maglinis ako ng gulay muna. Of course, I cook soup here. We use Choco guys. You see, as you can see, I use Choco. This is my lotus soup. Ayan. Wow, naamoy ko yung ulam sabaw na mayan. So now guys, na itong na-drain up ko na. Wala nang mantik ay tubig. So, lagyan natin ng asin. Asin. Just sprinkle a salt so that will not so fishy later. And then now we need to put in the fridge first because it's still early to cook. It's just only 4 o'clock, so we need to cover up so that we won't get germs, bacteria inside the fridge. Oh, you see guys, not only the heat. Yeah. And on the way guys, since I defrost the plant, I need to clean up for tomorrow night. They asked me to cook Hokkien meat. Oo. At dumating nga isang Dracula guys. Pinagalitan daw ng doktor niya. Ayan, ang galing mo kasing manggalit ng tao. So, ayan, pinagalitan ka din Ganyan lang ng buhay, di ba guys? Anong gawin mo sa iba, ay gagawin din sa iyo. Di ganyan ang napala mo, madam. Madam Damin. Chala guys. Ito guys. Yeah, since I prepare for tomorrow dinner, then on the way, since I defrost this afternoon, then now defrost ready, so no choice to clean up now and just to fry tomorrow for Hokkien meat, san meat, grilled chicken, because tomorrow is my princess flying off for going to Australia. At ito na nga yung adobo guys, paan ng baboy. So, i-reheat natin. Tapos, ilagay natin yung itlog. Pero, bago natin ilagay ng itlog, we need to peel up the shell first, yeah? You need to run up the cold water so that the yellow egg yolk won't get dark. No? Yan ang sekreto ng the egg. The yolk to be remain yellow color inside. Oh, yo! Nahulog pa. Wala pa namang 1 minute. So, just slowly peel this way. And you need to eat later tonight, guys. It's not, my hand stained just now. I cleaned the lotus. It's not that, guys. You see the yellow one? You see the yellow one? Won't get black color, right? Because I run into a cold water. I don't put ice water. But because I don't have ice water now, so just let it on the tap water. Tap water will do, right? Alright. So, ayan. At ayan na nga guys. So, we need to put inside so that the adobo color, the egg become black also. Wow, so nice. Yum food. And this is it guys. We reheat the adobo yesterday. cooking rice. 2 cup, how many persons? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 persons, 2 cups. At ito na yung dalawang liver, guys. Kailangan nating ikat ng medyo hindi gaanong matin para masarap mamaya. Then, we fry with ginger, with sesame oil. Ganyan lang, guys. Kasi pag maliliit lang, madaling maluto, madaling tumigas. So, you need to cut into a bite size only. So, ganyan, guys. So, yeah. So, we need to drain out the little bit water. You can't see any accessories in me because sila to remove ayo chala mafa na. So may fan fadala like just so. Tulog kami ni guys, so I have a lot of time to do everything today because tomorrow then. So this is the lid to use with the liver later on. So you need to cut into small piece also. You need the chunks. Yeah. Into that way. You cannot see I using a small knife because I don't know how to use a small knife to cut or to slice things. Big knife is to control, not cut your finger. Yeah, so using with a big knife is not too bad. Once you cut your finger, you can control it. Yeah. This is the life of Jonas Vlog 19 every day. Wake up, prepare breakfast. After breakfast, I bring Minnie outside, come back, then I eat my breakfast, then I eat my breakfast. After that was the clothing, so we need to peel the ginger first. Wah, may tanim na to, guys. So you need to remove the thing one. So this one very careful because this peeler very sharp. So because this one is the different peeler. So yeah. Okay, out. Yep. So done. So cut ulit. Just magkat ng malaking knife kaysa small knife. Oh. But you need to cut into tiny one. Small one. To become crunchy later once you fry it. Slowly so that you won't get cut. So they're almost coming back soon. Oh, they are there ready. So garlic naman tayo. The liver. At ito nga pala guys yung liver. Mamarinate natin ng oyster sauce at saka onion oil. Okay? Para sa ganun, huwag mo nang anuhin mamaya. Since wala na yung tubig. So ipatayo natin to. Hindi pwede. Wala natin ng tapon na natin yan. Lahat na. Lagyan natin ng sesame oil. Okay? Siyempre, haluin na Ayan yung bagong gupit na bebe ko, guys. Bagong gupit. You want to help Cheche cooking? Or you want to eat? You want to eat? Or you want to help me? Okay, just sit down inside or as you get oil here. No? At ito na nga, guys. Magprito na tayo ng isda. Oh, pumpok ang bulkan. At ayan, naka-spaceship ako, guys. Mahirap na. Mahal yung skincare. Libre na nga. Diba? So, ito naman yung pantalan ng ganun, guys. Para hindi ka matawsikan ng mantika, guys. Sayaw muna. Sayawan mo muna. Para masarap ang iyong luto. Ganun lang ang gagawin ninyo. So, ayan guys, thanks for watching. Hanggang sa susunod na aking pag-vlog. Sa dyan na yung buhok ko guys, na ganyan-ganyan na. Ayan muna. Wala nang ka-porma-porma.